lot of people and perspectives involved in data science. I am trying to inspire everyone watching this, everyone in the world to bring creativity and imagination to the data science process. And I really want to encourage interdisciplinary, international, and inter-everything collaboration. Feel free to clap along at home so we're all in it together. Very good. All right. Let's dive in. First and foremost, we must address a buzzword. Now, data science is maybe the buzziest of buzzwords that ever buzzed. I guess we could argue artificial intelligence, machine learning up there as well, right? All very related. Okay, so what is data science? Well, I'm going to offer a very, very technical definition that is probably going to be hard to keep up with. So that technical definition is it's better understanding the world through data. And I don't know if you can see what's coming after this, but also, science. I know. How did I think of this definition? It's incredible. Yes, computers are a huge part of this. Yes, they are integral to what we're doing, but I really want to emphasize that we need to think about what's data and what's science before we start thinking about how we can extract interesting information through computation. And so why would we get data and science involved in anything? Well, it's so that we can observe what's going on in the world. It's so that we can explain what's going on in the world, and so we can predict. Very exciting, right? Yes, who wouldn't want to do those three things? I suspect many of you wish to do those three things, and I think a lot of these three things are happening at this very conference. Another way to think about data science, and this is something I do show to my students, it comes from a data scientist named Drew Conway. It's a great representation of data science, is it's at the intersection of programming, statistics, and this substantive expertise, being an area expert in a particular area, really caring about something, knowing what the interesting questions and problems and challenges, and having a deep understanding of some part of the world that could use a little bit of data science. The problem is that when we think of data science, and this is my artist's rendering of how we think of data science, is that we tend to think, it's really programming, it's mostly stats, and my goodness, maybe a teeny tiny bit of knowledge. And so I am here to say, if you think that you're the blue circle, we need you. So if you out there are thinking, gosh, what do I do with all this data? Or what do I even need when it comes to data, right? And shout out to my Seinfeld fans out there. And Estelle, oh gosh, all right. Here's what I recommend. Begin from a place of curiosity. So start with questions, not answers. Remember that theories and hypotheses, ways that you test that theory, are going to help you clarify not just what to do with the data, but what data you actually need. So often, and again, I'm going to live in the world of engagement surveys, so often companies say to me, what else should we be asking? What questions should we keep? And it's like, well, what do you want to know? Why are you doing this? What do you think is going on with your people? That's what you ask. There's no right answer out there, right? It depends. So for example, if you are trying to use data science to spot ethical violations or to think about what might be ethical data science research, then right there you can talk to your data scientists about what's the sort of data that might be useful to collect, what are trends that would be insightful to learn about, or how can we think about a structure so we learn about our people in a way that is ethical. Finally, data science is a science and an art. And we need you. We need your instincts and expertise to develop theories. We need your imagination to think about how to create new data. And we absolutely need creativity and curiosity to drive our research efforts. And we for sure all need to work together.